Hey, so today I'm gonna show you how, well, one of the ways is you can make gold in classic WoW, and one of the ways is by doing stockades boost. So yeah, this is my talent trees, more focused on AoE farming and some survival. First of all, for the first pull, you're gonna pop shields and you will recover full health and full mana. This is important. Why? Because meanwhile you're getting full mana and full health, you will recover the cooldown of your ace barrier. So meanwhile you're doing the pull, you can get like any sort of damage of the mobs. So we're gonna do start the pool by doing rank 1 arcane explosions. We're just gonna run around inside the rooms. If it's a mob down pool, you can just use fire blast and pull him. So we're gonna get him. As you see, he don't pull, so I use fire blast to pull him. As you saw, I use my shield on cooldown, and now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna pull this last run. We're gonna pop ice barrier here, ice ice block, pardon. And we know about them. We use our trinket and we use flame strike, cone of cold, and arcane explosions. These pulls are very easy. So you hear beware because there is a couple of patrols over here. Mostly this one over there that is going over there. This used to come this way, like over here. So be careful of that patrol. So the people that you're boosting don't pull him, or so make sure to kill him first, or make sure that they they are they are far. So I'm gonna use evocation here to recover mana faster. Remember to be always full health and mana. So in this part, the mobs will do a stun. These guys with the maces do a nasty stun, and they can stun change you. So for this part, I always bring so major healing potions, so I can get healed. Meanwhile, I am stunned. So we're gonna do the pull as always. Rank 1 arcane explosion. We're gonna go to the other room. You already know if you don't pull them up, you can just fire blast him. You pop ice barrier here, and you pop cold snap. The reason is because we're gonna use our ice block again. We're gonna pop again ice barrier, and we're gonna ice block here to stack it. You see this all this CC chain, and we're gonna use a health potion, and we use flame strike, common of cold, and arcane explosion. I forgot to pop first the trinket, so that was kind of a bad over there, but it doesn't matter. You don't need them. I just pop them to make the run faster, to do a little bit more damage. But you have to worry about it. So again, you know the deal. Pop shields and recover 2. Uh, in the meantime, get the cooldowns of the shields back. Alright, so once you're full health and full mana, you're gonna start with this last pull. This is so easy. The worst case scenario is that you will get like a CC log like almost like for a pretty long time. But with a major healing potion, you don't have to worry that much, I guess. I blink out. Oh, it looks that I have some lag issues, but nothing that I have to really worry about it. So again, and they did. All right. So this is the like the hardest part of the dungeon because they do this nasty stun, and the dark iron dwarf he use a shield bash, so be careful with that. This is the patrol I was talking about earlier that you see he comes over here. So make sure you kill this big boy over here, so the people that you're boosting don't pull him and they don't get killed. So we're gonna do this again. These are pretty easy runs. The thing is that you have to pop shields earlier to have the cooldown or your ice barrier on time. So once it fades because of the damage, you can pop it again and continue pulling. Alright, so we're full. We continue with the run. These guys are pretty normal. They just do damage, and yeah, they do alright, a little right, but nothing you have to worry about too much. So remember that your mana shield has like see, like 500 damage absorption. So when you see that your shield is on like 500 absorption, so pop your ice barrier again, so you don't lose that much mana by absorbing damage with your mana shield. So yeah, you just do this. Oh, little chest. Oh. Pardon me. I'm gonna take this little chest. See if any goodies, but it looks like it don't. Again, and get full. This is so easy. Like you just make sure to always have a major healing potion with you. So in case you get CC chain, uh, you won't die because you can use the healing potion even if you're stunned. So don't worry. We pop ice barrier again because it's about to fade. We blink out of here, and we came over here and we pull this last part. These guys are coming over here. I use my mana ruby. They are stacked. Trinket and flame strike. Make sure that when you are doing the arcane explosions, to do it with your jump, cause it will increase the range of your ability. With every ability, even with the frost nova, if you do the frost nova while you're jumping, you're gonna increase its range. So um, always remember that. And that's it. That's how I make stockades. I hope you like it.